Alright, this is Steve with Craft Racing, and I'm down in the studio, and we're working on the website, stevecraft.com, and I'm working with AI. Let's give you a little peek behind the scenes of us editing the website. That dot is still there. I don't think you gave me the PowerShell script. So right now I've got AI making modifications to the website. I tell it what I want to happen. It gives me the PowerShell script. I paste it into PowerShell. The changes are made. I let it know that I'm done. It goes on to the next step. So it just gave me a PowerShell script that I'm pasting in. I made the change, and then I load the page back up, and then I confirm. Yeah, that fixed that problem. Thank you. So I don't have to do much typing. I can talk because I've got the microphone here. And ChatGPT allows you to type with your voice. And you can even use voice mode where you can conversationally talk with it, like it's a person. Alright, I think we're done with that. Okay, we're done with those. On to the next task. Okay, we're done with that. On to the next task. Sometimes I push the wrong button. So then I sent it, and it is now thinking of the next step that we have to do. It's picking the next task. We have a whole list of tasks. I've given it a whole list of tasks, that things that we need to do to the website. It says next on the roadmap is the Dad Steve page modernization. The flash section is essentially checked off now. Let's first inspect the current Dad page without changing anything. Run this in PowerShell. So I copy it. I go over here to PowerShell. It gives me the information that I need. I copy it. I paste it into ChatGPT. I send it. It then looks at the HTML. It makes a decision on what we need to do. It sends me the PowerShell script, and I go ahead and do it right there. So now it says it says, good, Dad page already has solid modern structure. Before changing the layout, I want to check the actual biography story content so we preserve the worthwhile personal stuff instead of polishing around it. So then we're going to do that, paste it right in there, and I get it looks like I got an error, so I'm going to copy the error down. As I said, paste what comes back. So boom, and it's going to immediately tell me what the error was, what happened, why did it get an error. And basically, I don't even have to know any programming. I don't have to know how to fix things. I just give it the information, and it makes a decision. So there we go. It wanted to see more of the web page code, so I will copy it and paste it down there, send it. It's now analyzing what I sent. So there you go. That's a little bit of what I've been doing I've been working on this like the other day. I worked on it like 13 hours. So if you want to go check out stevecraft.com, it is very modernized, and there's a couple of things that still need to be tweaked on it. A big stuff is coming along. I had to do a lot of manual, tedious labor for changing for the seasons and stuff like that. And this stuff is all going to be automated. I'm not going to have to do anything. It's going to make all the changes on its own. I cannot wait to get this all done. And all this started because Ginger is like, I want to run local AI. Okay, we are doing really well with that now. Okay, more later. This is Steve with Craft, and we're out.